I'm Brian Fees, owner of Motivated RV, and this is what I do. We take old relics and bring them back to life and make them fun. Schoolies, new RVs that want to get changed to accommodate their lifestyle and their kids, Class C's, vintage trailers, we do it all. And we even put pontoon boats and Airstreams together. It's a lifestyle business. And that's why I think the people that are in the RV industry now that are getting RVs, it's because of a lifestyle. It's what they want. So we're just here to build a dream.